an easy recipe for the strawberry chia yogurt pudding, and I start off with the black chia seeds, which I get on Amazon. This is a pretty big bag. I think it's 2 pounds here. And then it's 4 tablespoons as a serving for 150 calories and 5 grams of protein. I've used the Greek yogurt. I love this honey Greek yogurt, which is a little bit higher in calorie. I get it at Sam's Club, 200 calories for 2/3 cup with 7 grams of protein. But my go-to is the Great Value vanilla yogurt, Greek yogurt, non-fat from Walmart, which is only 120 calories for 3/4 cup with 15 grams of protein. Just use regular milk. You can use almond milk or whatever milk. I just use a regular milk with strawberries. I start off with 3 tablespoons of the chia seeds and then a 1/2 cup of milk. I just prefer the regular milk, but like I said, you can use almond milk or something different, and then go ahead and stir it up for just a second here. You want to start getting it blended and then let it sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you're going to come back and stir it again. You can see it's already starting to get a little bit thick. So after stirring, I'm going to go ahead and cover it up and then stick it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours or even overnight. All right, it's been 2 hours. You can see how thick this has gotten because the chia seeds have absorbed the milk that was in there. I'm going to go ahead and add my 1/2 cup of yogurt. And when I'm prepping this, I actually usually do like 2 cups. So let me go ahead and grab my other cup here, and this one I'll end up storing away, but I'm going to go ahead and add the fruit. I had some frozen strawberries. I'm going to go ahead and add those to the cup here. You can use probably any fruit that you like, but I like the strawberries. And go ahead and put the last of that in there, finish it up. And then what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and, oh, see how good that looks? I'm going to go ahead and stir it all up. I want to make sure that I get the chia seeds that are down on the bottom mixed with the yogurt, and so that it'll make a super yummy treat. This actually serves as like 2 servings for me. I can't see how good it looks. I can't finish this normally in 1 serving. So I'll go ahead and work on that and store this other one away for a later time. If you find that you like it sweeter, you could add some honey. I tend to add a couple drops of stevia, but overall, great snack.